Hi, my name is Young. So this is the video recording of my advanced web development midterm project, and this is a project about the Django REST framework API that's storing a merged data set of Spotify and YouTube. Okay, and in this project existed 6 endpoints and that demonstrating filtering, joins, aggregation, and some of the validated data entry. Okay, and all the details. So in this video, we'll be briefly doing some explanation, and all the details was written down inside my PDF report. Okay. So at first, this is how it will be looking like, and after unzipping my submission folder, and at first can look at the readme.md. So by following the setup step over here, could be able my API. Okay. So activate the virtual environment and then installment of the environment migration. I'm skipping this step as I already installed the all the requirements. So after that, load the CSV file. Okay. So just for an example, if I load the data set again, it will be jumping out this message to prevent of the re-implementation of the same data set. Okay. As you can see, the database was implemented right now. Was pushed into the database right now. Okay, so something to justify about my project. The data set that I use inside this project is based on the Spotify sample.csv, and it was arranged by using this arrange.db from the online sources, and the online sources was already written down over here, which is following by this link, and it's the sources from Kaggle. Okay, and continue. The actual function was done by using this .csv, which is pushing the data set batch by batch, so that you can see that this process was done quite fast, or else it will be taking 3 to 5 minutes if it's looking pushing the data set artist by artist or album by album. Okay, so the next step will be creating a super user, and the username and password ID written down over here, which I'll be following that inside this video, skipping email address and AWD midterm, AWD midterm. Okay, so it created successfully. To prove that, I have one admin over here. Okay, and the next step will be doing the Python test. Sorry, yeah, Python test. So this Python test is from this test.py, and with 11 different tests for either successful case or failure case. Okay, so prove that whether good or bad my ATM will be works normal. Okay, after that I'll be running my server. Okay, so by typing this, okay, so not work, and typing the admin. So by admin and pasting the password. So you can see that they are separated into three tables, or three data tables. So for this artist, album, and the track are uh, related together by using the primary key. Okay, so for examples, uh, in this artist table, all the artists were represented by using all these unique IDs, and these artists inside the album table are refers back to the artist primary key, okay, which is the foreign key over here. Okay, same as the track. Tracks also have the foreign key inside. eh, Artists and albums also have foreign key inside the track. Yeah. Okay, so back to the main page. Okay, so the first endpoint is getting the tracks from the database, and I implemented a pagination function inside this endpoint, which is limit that 20, 20 tracks per page inside this get function. So this function was implemented knew that if 5,000 songs was implemented inside a page, the page might be running out of time. So we break down. Okay, so this is the first endpoint. And the second endpoint is to posting the songs back to the database. Okay, so due to time limit, I'm not going to do the success demonstration over here cause got a lot of different metrics to root down, so we'll be wasting quite a lot of time. But I can do the field success, field, sorry, field demonstration over here. So as you can see, if I wrote nothing over here, the posting function will be stopped and it will showing error over here. Okay, and telling you that cannot be blank, number is required, blah blah blah, something like that. Okay, so back to the main page. Okay, so the second endpoint is about the track details. So you can see all the details over here lah. Okay, everything about, sorry, all the metrics about the track over will be showing over here. And the third and the fourth endpoint will be the artist track list. Okay, so could be done by, we can search the next artist by doing this. So ID number 2, ID number 3, blah blah blah. Okay, so these could be similar to the search functions okay, by searching ID number 3 or searching the artist name. Okay, which is same as the track ID. Okay, so the fifth endpoint will be this popularity mismatch, which is also one of the reasons that I doing the using this data set, as most of the data set is that only showing either Spotify or either YouTube data. So this is the special of this data set as it's showing both, and I can do the comparison between two uh, two applications. Okay, so this function was done by using the Django F expression and can be only done on database without taking the data to the Python and do a lot of calculations, blah blah blah. Okay, and the last is album type status. So showing that only album got 3,000 or single song got 12, 100, 1,200. Okay, so that's the demonstration of my project. Thank you so much.